As always, please retry this question before watching the video. We've listed this as a preposition idiom question. It doesn't really perfectly fall under the preposition idiom questions or any of the others, but it is closest to that in that these wrong answers are wrong because they're just not how we would normally use them in the English language. And so you really just have to go based on what sounds good from what we can surmise. Maybe we don't know this one well enough, but from what we can surmise, the only thing that's wrong with the wrong answers is that it's just not how we would normally use them in the English language. So let's go through them and see if we can eliminate the wrong ones. Answer F. These brown dwarfs raised essential ponderings about how matter in the universe evolves. As you can see, I did not read the parenthetical. That will help many of you if you stop reading parentheticals when they're involved in one of your questions. Sometimes you'll need it, but most of the time you don't. And so this is one of those scenarios where it's just easier. And so we can see when we read it that way, essential ponderings, that's just not how we would say it in the English language. So we can go ahead and eliminate that. These brown dwarfs raised foremost quandaries. Again, not how we would say it in the English language. Answer H. These brown dwarfs raise key questions about how matter in the universe evolves. Yes, that is totally going to be our right answer. Sounds perfect and it just makes complete sense. It's how we would normally use it in the English language. These brown dwarfs raised major basics about how matter in the universe evolved. No, that one is wrong, leaving us confirmed with answer H. If this was helpful, please add what you learned to your worksheet along with the answer and continue on to the next preposition idiom question that you missed on this test. If this is the last preposition idiom question you missed on this test, please go ahead and do the preposition idiom mastery until you get 10 questions correct in a row before coming back and continue on the next category that you missed the most of.